Master of Ceremonies.
Alright, so isang magandang hapon po muli sa ating lahat. Once again, good afternoon everyone! Hi! And of course, hello to all our dearest guests, following our relatives po natin, and family, and maging mga kaibigan, lahat na po nakabuong bisita natin ngayong araw. Once again, isang mapagpalang araw po sa lahat. And before we officially begin our special program ngayong araw na ito, is gusto ko lang po sana makamusta muna ang lagay ng ating mga bisita right now, and at the same time, I also want to check your vibe and the needs of your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari mo ba ako makinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasama si Gawan John! O diba? Ganyan dapat ang energy natin. Nag-umpisa pa lang tayo partida, pero ganyan dapat simple gumaamo ang ating energy ngayong araw. Kasi yan, for this special day, because of course, this day is also a time to celebrate, rejoice, and also be united together because we are gathered here to witness and also celebrate a very amazing and spectacular event for our beautiful debutant ngayong araw ito. And muli, isang mapagpahalang araw muli sa ating lahat ng blessed afternoon to everybody, and welcome aboard here at the El Marfil Resort and Pavilion dito po sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. And we are all gathered here this time to witness and also to celebrate the 18th birthday of our gorgeous woman ngayong hapon na si Miss Angel. Yeah. So, syempre, hindi na makakapagsimula ng ating munting programa kung wala ka siya dito. Pero bago tayo tumungo sa exciting part or the most anticipating highlight that we are waiting for this afternoon is hinihintay ko lang po sana mga lahat na small favor lang po to every guest na nandito po natin bisita ngayon na please bear with us all throughout the program. Samahan niyo lang po kami mula umpisa hanggang matapos ang ating programa. And we would also like to request the participation and energy of everybody para syempre hindi lang po si Angel at ang kanyang pamilya ang mag-e-enjoy pa-entertain ngayong hapon o ngayong gabi na rin, kundi kayo rin lahat because you are also a part of this celebration. Okay? Pero syempre wala na matopik-topik pa bago muna tayo tumungo sa inaabangan nating part ng ating program na ito, which is yung entrance Angel. Hayaan lang po sana akong maipakilala mo sa inyo, and please also allow me to give the encouragement to acknowledge and also to honor the parents or immediate family ng Debutant. So, hinihiling ko lang po lahat to, tatawagin ko lang po ang pangalan nila. Sila ay magagalit ng pudoon at nararampan sa ating itablado. At para sila ay ganang mamampa, isalubungan ng natin sila ng iyong pangpalakasang palakpakan na may kasama iyawan para ma-cheer po sila. And of course, wala na po dito with time. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let us bring on stage ang mga magulang ng ating Debutant sa Angel. Let's give it up to Mommy MG and Sir Dan Repuda! Pasok! Let's go! Palakpakan naman natin. Yes! Once again, let's give it up to Mr. and Mrs. Repuda! Yes! Kaway naman po kayo sa kanila. Pwede na kayo wala. Kaway naman mga artista na. Yes! Okay, thank you so much po. You may set aside na po. And of course, palakpakan naman natin po yung dearest parents ni Angel. Once again, hello po. Wow, sweet. Sige po, dito na po tayo sa side. Thank you so much. And syempre, wala na matapit-tapit pa. I believe we're all set and we are ready. Pero before anything else, before we proceed sa pinaka-anticipated part of our program, I would like to request everybody to please rise. Magsipag tayo na po tayo lahat. And let us all stand. Ito na po ang udyat. And it's also about time. But we are now going to welcome on stage our debutant ngayong hapon ito. And muli, again and again, hindi po magkukulang sa pagpapaalala sa lahat na syempre naman, once I call her name, as she goes down here our stairs, punta sa ating stage, salubungan naman natin siya muli ng inyong pangpalakasang palakpakan na may kasamang iyawan. Okay, pero before I call her, syempre nag-testing ko muna energy nyo na kung pasado na ba, kung kaya na ba, o may itataas pa o may hihigit pa. You know what I mean? Okay, tingnan natin. Testing. Ladies and gentlemen, on your own eyes are right! Pwede na. Pero hindi dapat tayo pwedeng padepende sa pwede na. Dapat ipawado na natin. So once again, Makasamalit siyang photo ba natin, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes today! Diba? Nakita niyo na. Ganyan dapat naman na sinatin mo na highest level because deserve naman ni Angel ang ating presensya. Diba? Alright, so hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Harap na po tayo sa may stairs over here. And I believe we're all set, so that is why brace yourselves and I want to get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only beautiful, gorgeous, and our fabulous Devon ngayong hapon ito. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome on stage to go with our expert, Mr. Daniel. Pagpapakalan natin ng Miss Angel. Once again, isang masigang pagkakala ng applause for Devon and tonight, Angel! Siyempre po, inaalalahin siya ngayon ng kanyang expert, si Sir Daniel. Palakpakan naman din po natin. Yan! Please assist her on the stage po sa expert. Yan. Ganyan po, ayan. Sige po. Once again, a round of applause for our permanent of the night, Angel! Ayan. There you have it. Thank you so much. Once again, together with our expert, Sir Daniel. Ayan. Thank you so much. And everybody, please remain standing lamang po. Matitignan po lahat na nakatayo because we are about to do two things this afternoon. And the first thing that we are about to do is stay to mismo. Now, nasamahan niyo lang po ako. Batiin natin agad-agad and happy birthday si Angel. So, I'll be counting 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. Siyempre po, sabay tayo sisigaw lang po ng happy birthday, Angel. Alright, so you guys ready? Lakas po natin para matinig niya. Here we go, and great time, everybody say!
Happy birthday, Angel!
There you have it. Maraming salamat po, and as I always say, please remain standing as we're about to formally begin our program with our opening prayer and invitation to be led by Pastor Mon. Sir, good afternoon po. Palakpakan naman natin kay Pastor. Everybody, and my name is Host Riza, and I'll be your host and singer at the same time for, of course, Angel's 80th birthday. Palakpakan naman po natin muli siya right here. And of course, as we go along the program this afternoon is, of course, there is someone which is actually special to the life and heart of our Davidan na nais ko pong tawagin on stage upang syempre po bilang siya talaga ang talagang naging isang palaking bahagi ng buhay ni Angel kung bakit rin po siya nandito ngayon. So I would like to call on stage Mommy Angie upang bigyan lang tayo ng konting background and mga anything na information for Angel. Palakpakan naman natin, madam. Ayan. Thank you. Ayan.